Hosting. So we've talked about Shopify fees, e-commerce fees quite a lot in these videos. Hosting fees are the fee that you will pay to host, in our world, either your emails or your website or also data or whatever. But most people nowadays, for their data and emails, we tend to advise Office 365 or Google. That tends to be my only advice. You can do lots of different ways. I would advise you either have Office 365 or Google, and they will handle data around your business and software, i.e. either Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc., or Google Sheets, Slides, Docs, get my right words there. So you use Office or Google, and the prices of them two companies tend to be very, very similar. They tend to offer an option which is £5 a month, £10 a month, and £20 a month each per user. Each user can have multiple aliases, which is a word for one user could have 100 email addresses, but I tend to recommend one user, one person. So if it is 5 people, you should use 5 users. If it is one person wearing many hats, you can just use one user. So one user, one person tends to be my advice. £5, £10, £20 a month-ish for the cost per user, depending on which level of platform you go to. Most non-enterprise customers probably fine on the £10 level. Most startup businesses probably fine on the 5. So £5, £10, £20 a month for your emails and your data. Hosting, I recommend going with Google or Office 365. There are loads of other options, but they tend to be the best, in my opinion. We use Google. I have other businesses that use Office 365. I'm a fan of Google at the minute, so I would use Google, but either way. Website hosting. So once you have a website, in pretty much all the cases, there is then a fee to host that website. Whether you're with Wix, Squarespace, or whoever, like a platform fee, and they charge you a monthly fee, or whether you come to somebody like us, or you have your own server, there is a cost for that server. Now, that server is storing the information, the pictures, the words, the videos that are on your website in a place, and there is a cost to that to put that on the internet, and that is your hosting fee. Now, with some people, we wrap your fees in other stuff. So we offer security certificates within your fees. That's your SSL certificate. We do daily backups. We do plugin updates. We do all sorts of other things within your hosting fee. So it depends what you get. The Wix, Squarespace, Shopify type websites might be 5, 10, 15, £20 a month. Again, somebody like us, we tend to try and match that. But as you get bigger, and you will notice this as your company gets bigger, that hosting fee gets bigger. The more traffic, the more people, the more transactions, the more things you do on your website, that fee will go up. And you might then start ranging up to 100, 200 and higher a month, basically. So we start currently at £20 a month or £200 a year for hosting for any of our sites at the lowest level that we do. And we work up from there based on your traffic. So we have some clients that are paying more like £250 a month, so £2,500 a year for hosting. And all we do within that hosting is keep your website's lights on, as I discuss it. It's got no content updates, no website updates. It's just keeping the lights on, security updates, maintenance updates, making sure nothing breaks. If you break something, we'll charge you to fix it. And if you want content updates, we also charge you to fix it. So that's just a hosting fee. Hosting, keeping the lights on your website, there is a cost. Somebody is paying that. We do get people come to us regularly going, I'm not paying a yearly fee. And actually, it tends to be wrapped in something else. It tends to be wrapped in their emails, or they're paying their IT company a hosting fee, and they just haven't realized it. So understanding who you're paying what to me, is quite a key thing within your business.